Stay tuned if you want to find out how you get the girl or how you get the boy.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome back to KeneishaSays, and I'm your girl Keneisha. I don't know if you had watched my original video, like my first video ever for YouTube, where I spoke about what they did not tell you about pregnancy, right? If you didn't watch it, I'll link it to this. Go watch it. So in that video, I remember telling you guys that because I have 3 kids, 2 boys and 1 girl, I know now, like, my experts for know how to get the girl and the boy, right? Yes, my experts. Listen, don't quote me on this. Me I no doctor or no psychic or whatever not. So disclaimer out there. This is just my opinion based on talking to people. Me can tell us say, yo, this is how you get the boy and this is how you get the girl, because after me start telling my little theory, it was proven by them that, yeah, you know, sir, that's exactly what happened to me, why I have all girls or why I have boys, or when me to get my girl, when me to get my boy, right? This time making man look kind of on shady way or something. They're making it look weak in a one way. I mean, not time I say a lie, not go to Keneisha, cause whatever. But talk to your woman, talk to your wife, talk to your baby mother. And you don't hear say, I see him, so you go for true. They don't think deep into it. Some of them, some other one will say, yeah, definitely, yeah, right? But stay tuned if you want to find out how you get the girl or how you get the boy. So the fact that you're still here means that you want to know how to get a boy or a girl. But I'll tell them a story first. So I remember, when we decided to have my first one, because you know, say, again, if you watch the video, I tell my husband, boyfriend at the time, breed me, right? Because I feel like I'm the woman, and I feel like I want to pick. Love this man, breed me. We were excited and everything, so we are go deep, we are go hard. Him not no more than me. Every stump me I stump too. Every drop me I drop too. You know, we're going for it back to back. So basically, forget the boy. You know, you have to go. You have to go with the beats. Everything you have to do with the rhythm. You have to be excited. You have to go feet. You know, dead nothing. You have to energize, like I saw energize a bunny and all these things. So you have to into it. You have to enjoy yourself. And better it work better when you have a little drink. When you're just coming from one dance or a little party or something. I know so happy and excitement to play or anniversary. Something. When you're all up into it and all up into each other. And you know more than a competition type thing. Yeah. So the boy come. Proven again, the second son, it was the same thing. He just came from the States. I've never seen him for a very long time, right? And when he comes, like an excitement. I not see this man for a long time. You not see me for a long time. Alright, come. You know more than me. I don't know where they do over there, so when you come, it'll show you what you're missing and why you need to not stray. So, bam, boy come again. Me never know all of that before, because me tell us I already did a ball last when I find out, say, oh, a boy me have again. I'm like, Jesus, I can't get one girl. After me have the girl, I understand why. Because I'm a little bit too excited. Right? Now, again, man don't feel one way, but here the girl come. They always talk about the boy in a way back, in a full way back. And a few in a back, a full way back. Right? The girls them come in a few in a back. We only put out all the work. The girls them come. Listen to me. Don't say no. Listen to what I say. The girls them come when una do all of the work and we relax. You know, there's something there when you touch your woman, you don't come in and you feel you're in the mood and you touch your woman and you'll be able to say, no, I'm tired. I said, yeah, just relax, just let me do all I work. Just lie down and chill, let me do all I work. And she just do a thing like this and lie down. And she might do a little one wine or whatever, but nothing exciting or whatever. Just do something to make you know, say something to go on. You understand? And of course, you know, have no 1 inch nor 2 inch something, so therefore she must feel something. But she not excited, like, give everything because she tired. So the girl comes.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Oh my God, just take it moment. That's how the girl come. Don't say a lie. Don't say it is true. Whether you believe it or not, think about it. Go ask your woman. And all the ladies out there, think about it. Right? So for me, honestly, like me look for man who tell me say they have all girls different. You have 3 girls. Are you all God, your woman not getting no lick or nothing? Are you not do nothing fishy feel if they jump on you? And for all the man that what talk about all of the boys and just like get pure boy. So, oh my God, you're doing something amazing to those girls out there. Then girl are excited all the time they see you. We jump all over you. But I'm not talking about those guys that have a 3, 4, 5 baby mother, because every time them see you, they're gonna get excited if you're going to different girls and breed up all different girls. They're gonna be excited because they know traffic. Make sure so you know exactly, so you have to stay with that one there. I'm talking about the men that actually have 1 baby mother, 4 boys, right? And 3 boys or whatever, not but just all boys. Now that is some exciting bedroom action. If you have 1 woman now and have 3 girls or whatever not, you need to step up your game. You need to make your woman excited for one to see you. I don't want to give something all the time or something to get the girl. My youth, sit down, man. Sit down and watch it. Listen to me, I say. You have to have your girl be excited. You understand? Because if you're not excited, then that boy that way you feel like in your back, you know, in your back rasta, the girl has to do the work. Alright, Tedawa, think about what you have been doing so far. Think about it and take a word. And then try from your method and tell me what you think. Alright? Experiment. Think about it. Drop a line in the comment section and say, okay, Keneisha, I true you're talking now, or tell me if I lie if you think. But remember, just like condom, I'm not 100% correct, right? Because condom what? 99%. So you may have that 1% that sperm kind of gets you under something. Well, you may have that. You may be that 1% out there that tells me that it's a lie. But I guarantee if you want to be honest, drop a line and let me know. Yo, Keneisha, I true yeah tell that. This is exactly how I got my girl. This is exactly how I get my boy. And now, if you didn't know, or if you don't have a child, or if you're pregnant right now, think about what you did to get pregnant. Alright? Now you know if you're going to have a boy or a girl. And when I drop the baby, let me know. Alright? All the other ones who already have it, drop a line out me know and say, yo, Keneisha, a real talk is exactly how I get my girl or my boy. But I know it's true. Because my girl, like, it was one of those moments. I was just so tired and I'm like, okay, babe, it's alright. Do your thing. Because, you know, our wife is supposed to still please. But that's one of our duties, to make sure that our guys or our husbands or boyfriend or whatever, you know, don't stray. But it's not all the time that we're into it. And to want to prove that that's exactly how she came. And when I ask my friends and other people, you know, it's proven. Most of them say, oh, my girl, yeah, I'm just always tired. I'm just always saying for just techie. And when I talk to other people about all the boys, then I'm like, yo, Jano star. A real talk. So KeneishaSays, get him on one boy. Get him on a boy fitness. Know that you know how to get it. If he really wants a boy, go give him a boy. And if he wants a girl, give my girl but some babes. We're not gonna do no work today. I don't know what to say. That's what KeneishaSays today. Alright? Like and share the video. Leave a comment. And if everyone who watched this video, hit the like button. Hit the like button. Please and thank you. Hit that bell so you are notified every time I drop a video. Subscribe, please and thank you. So guys, until later, bye.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say.